Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Pawar. I am student of Design Institute from batch 22. So today's topic for a daily task video is the minimum criteria required for reporting in pharmacovigilance. The pharmacovigilance is defined as the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any other possible drug related problems. It is a very important medical discipline to prevent the drug related adverse effects in humans, ensure patient safety and promote the rational use of drugs. The pharmacovigilance is well established in most industrialized countries, but its practice in low and middle income countries is variable, with some countries having absolutely no system at all, while a few have systems comparable to the best in the industrialized countries. In view of the importance of pharmacovigilance to all countries, the World Health Organization, upon request from the Global Fund Against AIDS, TB, and Malaria, and key multilateral and technical agencies, has embarked upon an extensive and wide-ranging consultative processes to produce a pharmacovigilance strategy for use by all the countries that are seeking to advance pharmacovigilance system through the Global Fund and similar health initiatives, the process include the identification of minimum requirements for pharmacovigilance reporting. The minimum requirements for pharmacovigilance are the current document describe the minimum requirements for the national pharmacovigilance system and sets out what needs to be done as a minimum to ensure that the national pharmacovigilance system existing and it is able to provide some measures of assurance for the security of medicines safety. Such system is expected to be sustainable with the guaranteed funding and with a key focus on the patient safety. So the minimum requirements were developed through interactive processes involving face-to-face meeting of a pharmacovigilance practitioners, disease control managers, technical agencies and donors in Geneva on 14th and 15th January 2012. The next one is the discussion of the proposed minimum requirements documents by the World Health Organization's Advisory Committee on the safety of medicinal products at its meeting on 26th and 28th April 2010. Further email and telephone consultations between World Health Organization, Global Fund and other members. The next one is consolidation of all views and comments and production of the draft minimum requirements documents for wider stakeholders consultation and reporting of the adverse drug reactions. The pharmacovigilance ensuring the safe use of medicines. Geneva, World Health Organization in October 2004, and the World Health Organization and Global Fund meeting to determine the minimum requirements for pharmacovigilance. A copy of the meeting report available from the minimum requirement document is preceded by a section agreed upon by various experts as constituting the main functions of any national pharmacovigilance system. Functions of a national pharmacovigilance system. It includes to promote pharmacovigilance in the country, notably to collect and manage the adverse drug reactions, reports and reports of medication errors and suspected counterfeit or substandard drugs. And also it involves collaboration and harmonization with existing adverse drug reaction collection activities within the country. For example, national disease control programs, Ministry of Health, etc., as well as international cohorts monitoring adverse drug reactions in defined patients or populations, and to identify the signals of medicine safety, that is unknown or poorly characterized adverse event in relation to a medicine or a combination of medicines and its use. So the next one is to undertake the assessment of a risk and options of the risk management to to identify if there are quality problems in medicines resulting in adverse drug reactions, and more generally support the identification of medicines quality issue, and to provide effective communication on aspects related to the medicine safety, including dispelling unfounded rumors of toxicity attributed to the medicines and vaccines, and to apply the resulting information from pharmacovigilance for the benefit of public health programs, including the individual patients and national medicines policies and treatment guidelines. And it also involves the develop and maintain drug utilization information and identify issues associated with the unregulated prescribing or dispensing of the medicines. The minimum requirements that the WHO and partners agree should be present in any national pharmacovigilance system. A national pharmacovigilance center with designated staff, at least one full-time stable basic funding, clear mandate, and well-defined structures and roles, and collaborating with the World Health Organization program for the international drug monitoring. So the next one is the existence of a national spontaneous reporting system with a national individual case safety report, which is also known as ICSR form, that is an adverse reporting form, and a national database or system for collecting and managing the adverse drug reports, and National Adverse Drug Reaction or Pharmacovigilance Advisory Committee is able to provide the technical assistance on causality assessment, risk management, then case investigation, and where necessary, crisis management, including the crisis communication, a clear communication strategy for routine communication and crisis communication, which is PowerPoint, also minimum requirements for the pharmacovigilance in the country.